In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Hootsuite's analytical tools to gain valuable insights into your social media performance. Understanding how your content is performing is crucial to improving your strategy and reaching your social media goals. Let's dive in and explore each step in detail. First, we need to access our Hootsuite account, which can be conveniently done through your Chrome browser. Go ahead and open Chrome and make sure you're comfortably logged into your Hootsuite account. If you haven't already done so, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in Hootsuite, take a look at the left-hand menu and locate the option labeled Analytics. Clicking on this will take you straight to Hootsuite's powerful analytical dashboard, where you'll have numerous possibilities to explore. Next, you'll want to choose the type of report that best suits your needs. Hootsuite offers various report types, and if you have specific requirements, you can create a custom report. This flexibility allows you to tailor the data presentation to exactly match your individual preferences or organizational needs. It's simple to navigate. Just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available templates and options. After selecting your report type, it's time to refine your data by choosing the appropriate date range and social networks. This step is crucial in filtering the analytics to focus on the most relevant periods and platforms for your assessment. Whether you're looking to analyze last week, last month, or a more extended time frame, make sure you select a range that aligns with your objectives. Similarly, choose the networks where you've been most active or ones you are evaluating, ensuring you draw comprehensive insights from the right sources. With your settings in place, it's time to delve into the data. Pay close attention to the key metrics such as engagement, reach, and clicks. Engagement provides insights into how well your audience is interacting with your content, while reach gives you an idea of how many people are exposed to your posts. Clicks, on the other hand, can show how many users took action to learn more about your content. Together, these metrics offer a well-rounded view of your social media performance. Finally, after reviewing your metrics, you might find the need to export or share these reports with teammates, clients, or stakeholders. Hootsuite simplifies this process by allowing easy export options, so you can decide if you want a PDF, a CSV file, or another format that suits your needs. Sharing these insights can facilitate collaborative discussions and help drive strategic decisions moving forward. And there you have it. You've successfully explored the basics of using Hootsuite's analytics tools. Whether you're a social media manager or a business owner, these steps are essential in navigating the complex landscape of social media metrics, allowing you to build effective strategies based on insightful, data-driven analysis. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing!